We are back today for another self-care nugget, self-care golden nugget. And as you know, I've been doing these videos sometimes between 9:30 and 10:30 Mountain Time. I come to you, it's a short video just to give you some tips about self-care. If you're watching this on YouTube, I will ask you to please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button for notifications if you like what you hear. Today we're gonna do a DIY because why not? I've done sugar scrubs since I've been doing sugar scrubs for a while. It's been about 2 years or so, and I really love the way my skin feels after I use it in the shower or sometimes in the bath. Today though, we're gonna do a little bit of different one. So if you look at my YouTube channel, I did a basic sugar scrub the other day. It's really nice, super easy to make. All you need is coconut oil, sugar, and an essential oil. That's it. Today we're gonna do another one that has one more ingredient in it, and it is coffee. And coffee, let me just tell you real quick what it does for our skin. It clears away dead skin and unclogs the pores. It also, the chlorogenic acids in the coffee might also help you reduce inflammation and protects you against some strains of bacteria as well. So it's really beneficial for your skin. It's really good to drink, right? But it's also beneficial for our skin. So we're gonna do a sugar scrub using some coffee. So for this recipe, you're gonna need coconut oil, just a regular coconut oil you find at the store. This is organic. I do recommend using organic as opposed to regular one. But if you only have like non-organic, it's fine. You can use that. Regular white sugar. I have this white sugar right here. Just regular white sugar, the sugar that you don't want to eat because it's really bad for your gut health. That's the one you're gonna use for your skin. It's okay. So you can, there you go. You don't have to throw it out. Make this sugar scrub out of it. And you're also gonna need just regular instant coffee. You know, the coffee that you find at the market, just regular instant coffee. There's no brand, you know, specific, so don't worry, okay? So you're gonna need 2/3 of a cup. I have a little measuring cup right here. You're also gonna need a bowl to mix it all up, and you want to store your sugar scrub in a glass container. The oils that I'm gonna be using for this, essential oils, are Thieves, and this is an exclusive of Young Living, and also Citrus Fresh. Okay, those are the ones that go with this particular recipe. If you're making a basic sugar scrub, you can use anything from geranium, joy. I love this one. If you use it at night, I totally recommend this one. German chamomile, amazing. It just makes me relax so good. It smells so good. Another one that I love is ylang ylang. It's great for the skin. Or even stress away. Also, for if you're gonna use it at nighttime, it does exactly what it is. You're gonna need a spoon to mix it up. Okay, so we're gonna use 2/3 of a cup of sugar. So let me measure the sugar. 2/3 of a cup. I'm gonna do it here with you, so bear with me. Okay, I think I put too much. Let me see. 2/3 of a cup. Where is my 2/3? Oh, I just need just a tad more. Just a tad more. Okay, so I'm gonna put the 2/3 of a cup in my container right here, and then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And again, whatever you have at home. I do use organic coconut oil, but if you only have like the regular one, it's totally fine. You don't have to melt it either. You can, but I usually don't. And so I'm gonna mix this really good until the oil has mixed with my sugar. Okay, You guys, I am getting a new camera. I'm very excited. I'm filming this with my phone. That's the camera I have. But I've ordered a webcam, so that should be easier for when I do things like this, so you can actually see what I'm doing. And it's coming in the mail. So hopefully the next few videos will be in better quality. But this is what I have. And let me grab a napkin because I put my finger in there. And this is what you're looking for. This is the consistency you're looking for, okay? Kind of like, the coconut oil all mixed with the sugar. And, you're looking for this. Can you see that? Okay. Then we're going to add our coffee. And for our coffee, you need, oh my gosh, I wrote it, but I can't read it. I think it's one. I think I wrote one. Yeah, 1 tablespoon of coffee. And I'm just gonna grab it. 1 hefty tablespoon of coffee. Try this for your face too. I use it for my face as well, just once a week or so, and it feels so good. Like the coffee, kind of. You feel the tingling of the coffee in your face. It's really good. And it's all natural ingredients. So you know exactly what goes in here. And so you don't have to worry about what you're putting on your skin. But you can use it anywhere in your body. I use it usually like in my shoulders, in this area, or in my legs, in my knees, my elbows. Where you get the rough areas in your skin, usually is the elbows and the knees. That's where you want to use it, okay? Sorry, I have to wipe my nose here. I'm not sick or anything. It's just, All right, so this is what you're looking for. You see the coffee, the sugar, and the coconut oil well mixed. So now we're going to add our oils. And for our oils, we're going to use, again, Thieves essential oil. This is a mixture of, let me see if I remember, cinnamon, rosemary, eucalyptus, clove, and lavender, I think, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm mistaken, let me know. And I'm gonna add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I'm also gonna add citrus fresh. Citrus fresh has all your citrusy oils: tangerine, orange, lemon, all of those. It smells amazing. And this one, 3, 4, 5, 6 of that one. It's amazing for the skin. I do use it in the evening though, and it really relaxes me. Really smells so good. And then when I use my sugar scrub, which I can use my sugar scrub as often as I want to add my body skin, I don't really need to put any lotion because the coconut oil just moisturizes my whole body, so I don't need anything else. And it smells so good, and leaves me feeling really good. And I love good smelling lotions and things like that. So this is what you're looking for, okay? Really, really simple. And that's it. You just put it in your glass container, stick it in your bathroom, and when you shower or if you take baths, use it. It's really nice. It feels great in the skin, and it smells amazing. This is my DIY for you, my self-care golden nugget. I will be back on Monday. I don't know what day it is. Today is the 5th, 6, 7, 8, 8. Monday, the 8th, with another one. So tune in here in the page, Simply Refreshing Life, or if you're in YouTube, tune in as well, and we'll see each other. Have a good weekend. Bye.